that thing shakes a lot. Yep, people eat Denny's.
Wait, what do you mean go across? What?
Đây thì các bạn nó trên rồi luôn.
Hả?
Bạn nó trên rồi.
Cái này là Thái là achi?
Yeah, Thai.
Là what?
Thai. Đây thì các bạn walk từ lô hotel. Like Vegas. Nobody sleeps. No casino, but all the stores open late, y'all.
Yeah, maybe like 30
Yeah. I think yes with me. I think you buy low, buy Jurassic Park low. On by itself.
No.
What you bought? I guess there's a benefit to Daddy having crutches because Elijah one day Daddy likes special treatment most of the time. Yeah.
Passing through here, but right is Makiki District, but there's a quarry right there in the corner. There's a National Memorial Cemetery, Punchbowl. Some of you guys have already gone through there. Well, I guess it's May, yeah, so it'll be a busy month here. Summertime here ourselves. A lot of parades been coming up at American time.
Another Jurassic Park at Kualoa Ranch. And a horseback riding tour right here. And they also have the movie tour over there. And then jungle expedition. We're gonna do all of them actually. Look at the horses. All these are all the horses. They're gonna do all the horse tours. We're doing the experience, so we're not doing the horse tour, but we're doing the taste of Kualoa Ranch, which we're gonna go see how they grow their food here. And then after that, we're gonna go do the movie tour over here, and then the jungle expedition. See the mountain, Bena.
It is called the Secret Garden, but the reason why it's called the secret is because of that hedge line from the highway actually makes it secret, so no one actually knows that we have this 55-acre property over here. Alright guys? Now coming up, you will see a few plants. Now these trees you see to your left, can anyone tell me what these trees are? Rain? Just kidding. Well, these trees are what we call our macadamia nuts.
Macadamia.
Yeah, have a look at those guys. Anyone know where the macadamia nut came from? From the tree. High five. Yeah, you're right. From the tree. It actually came from Australia, guys. Woo-hoo! So from my country. So this is from Queensland, Australia. They brought it here. Now it's just Hawaii is the one who capitalized on these macadamia nuts, and now they have their multi-million-dollar project with they just put chocolate over it to make it taste good. You guys tasted the chocolate macadamia nuts? Oh yeah. So that's really good. So our coming up on our left, I was produced around the corner today. We're looking at about 5.2%. Even that's 2%. Why? Does anyone know how long it takes to grow one pineapple? It takes about 2 to 3 years. So we simply don't have enough space to grow it, and we don't have the time to wait. So we still grow some of them, but now this next section we're going to be seeing a lot of the different flowers that we grow here on the ranch, and we do provide them to. There's a lot of weddings here on the property. We have about 6. I think we have 6 locations now, right? I think it's 5 or 6 different locations. We'll see some presets, and we'll see some signs. And on the signs, it will say film location. It'll have the picture, and we'll have the name of the film. So we're gonna stop over here, guys. We're gonna have a pit stop. We're gonna taste some fruits. Famous location. Snatched, that's the actual bar there to your right. So this is where we're going to stop first, guys. We're going to start jumping off here. There is, there's a 51st days. You can walk around here, guys. We're going to walk around, take a look at all the different film location signs, take some photos. We'll be setting up some fruit down here.
Oh, Daddy, it's so no, what a world.
Dinosaur live here.
Look at everything.
You don't see any dinosaur, any animal here. Only human. This is where they filmed the show.
51st dates right there.
Yeah, but
From location.
yeah. Look what they're moving over and over and do. There you go, and then hand and stand there.
I'm not gonna go make my shoe dirty. I'm gonna go make my shoe dirty.
I don't know, we're supposed to go there now. It's our
No
group.
one taste.
It's our group, you know what?
I have no clue.
Right?
I have no clue. I think you mean yes. So.
Whatever called, I don't know. Did you guys watch the movie? I didn't watch it.
Jurassic Park.
Mm-hmm.
Jurassic World.
Yeah, that's the work. Yeah, they take the monster here. I think. You know where the monster come out?
I don't know.
Cho nó chuyện nhau đi punu làm gì không?
Yeah.
Right? Cho nó có sẽ gì nhấp họ đi punu làm gì không?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tao có một công sự thả cho.
Cô phải xem hết được cũng bỏ. Mà này thì chỉ nói.
Không có lên to share.
No, I want her to see it.
Yeah, when it's at the trail line.
It's okay. Come back.
Oh. Nó bị đứt cổ đấy. Có thể phát sinh tốt. Cái đó là cái phần sắp tổ. Có một số nhiều một cái khó bắt tốc bỏ mà thế này uống thế.
Này có khoảng group đó.
Nó mix rồi.
It says you crack it open, it's all gray and black and fuzzy there. Yeah, if you look at the macadamia, you go, ew, I don't want to eat that.
Giờ mua cho sủi cho nó.
All right, let's see it. Ha!
Yeah. The jail.
sâu đồ mùi ra rất là nói là sao mùi là sâu đồ là quá là tua the big cái sâu này cho mùi
Oh,
là
we're gonna go.
we're now with them.
Yeah, we are. See? We gotta go, Lee. Look at this guy. He has only one leg, but he's not even listening to the tour guide. Chicho, hello.
Oh, there's our alai oolong. Did everyone say alai oolong? So this fish is endemic to Hawaii. Yes. On our left is our employee housing. So Eric's house is in there. And in the middle is our outhouse. Oh. Stage we have up to about 40,000 of these hammerhead sharks in the bay. So if you guys are wanting to learn how to swim, yeah, this is not the place for you.
Oh, the water is so calm, y'all.
We have that castles in the bay, folks.
Yeah.
We are bringing some of our rice. So this was our early plantation workers. They came here. You know, some of their staples were rice and flour. We have the food growing here, as I said before. You know, we use the color for different purposes depending where you're coming from. Now, us all voyages off from this place. So if you follow the current that leaves Hawaii,
Nothing like
all the way
Laos,
around, it actually goes straight
or
to
Asia.
all the Pacific and ends at New Zealand.
Huh? Oh, these?
It's a avocado right here.
These are avocados.
You know, from when we're driving along the side of the road,
Yeah.
it looks like mangoes. How can you tell which one's mangoes and which
big
one's
one, right?
avocado?
Yeah, these are the big ones. They'll get really big. How can you tell the mangoes?
Yeah, like from the when
So
we're
you can
driving, you
tell-
see so many of
Is
them.
the
They look
leaf
the
the same,
same.
right?
So the way that a tree is, it looks.
Wow, look at. So there's just no words. And Mama and
The mommy had two of them.
where's the other one?
There's two of them.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one is bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how adorable.
Go ahead, pass. There you go.